Hello students, I am Vincent Fernandez, your math teacher from Sri Sarvajna Public School. Today we are going to understand further about different kinds of angles. Previously we have understood about acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, complementary angles and supplementary angles, right? So today we will take two lines crossing each other. Supposing two lines are crossing each other, say let us say that this is AB and this is a CD. They are crossing each other at a point O. Now they are intersecting at O. So this means that there are four different angles which are formed here. The angles which are formed here is AOD, right? So AOD is the angle AOC, next angle BOC, next is angle DOC, right? So we have four different angles. So these four angles are formed. Now we are going to understand what are opposite angles here. So which are the opposite angles here? So here this is the vertex which is O, right? So vertically opposite angles. So which are those? So this is 1 and this is 2. Okay. So these are the vertically opposite angles. So these vertically opposite angles are angle AOC. So this is an angle AOC and angle DOB. This is a vertically opposite angles. So these are the vertically opposite angles. Also we can write AOD. Instead of AOC, let us take the second one, AOD and angle COB. These are also vertically opposite angles. Now consider those angles which are adjacent to each other. So here AOC and AOD, these two are adjacent to each other, correct? They are adjacent on also and they are also supplementary. They form together a straight line CD, forming an angle COD, a straight angle, correct? So these are adjacent angles. So which are those angles which are adjacent? Angle AOC, comma angle AOD. These are adjacent angles. Then let us try AOD and DOB. These are also adjacent to each other. DOB and BOC. These are also adjacent to each other. Angle BOC and angle COA or AOC. These are also adjacent to each other. So these adjacent angles here in this case are supplementary. So they are also supplementary. So if you add 1 and 2 or 2 and 1, we can see that they are both becoming equal to 180 degrees. Therefore they are supplementary. Now whatever be the angle in between, one may be acute, the other may be obtuse, but still these adjacent angles are becoming equal to 180 degrees. So such kind of angles, so which are going to be adjacent as well as supplementary, they are called as a linear pair of angles. So these are all equal to 180 degrees. Such angles are also called linear pair of angles. Only when they are adjacent, and they are equal to, the sum of them is equal to 180 degrees, only then we call them as linear pair of angles. Okay, so this is about the other type of angles. So let us understand more in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.